Hi there, welcome back to another video. It's a morning yoga stretch. This video will help you to start your day in a really positive manner. So let's get started. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and of course a will to practice with me. So let's get started. To start with, sit over your yoga mat. Sit comfortable however you want. Make sure you sit up straight and your spine is like water is falling from the back. Hands over your heart or over your knees. Close your eyes if you haven't already and center yourself with your natural breathing pattern. Neither too fast nor too slow, just the usual rhythm. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. As you feel more centered, gently start moving your neck from side to side. Rotate the neck in whichever manner you make it feel most comfortable. Maybe round, maybe forward to backward. And then gently open your eyes. Massage your back of the neck using the interlocked fingers at the back, and as you exhale, fold forward. Knuckle down your elbows down, extend the hands. And then from here, place left knee grounded while bending the right above and start moving the knee from side to forward to make it a good stretch for your hip. Have hands over the yoga mat to balance and create more range of motion. After 5 rounds, change your side to the left side. This time use the left leg to practice from the left hip. And remember to breathe throughout. Then from here, try to sit down in a yogic squat malasana. If this is too hard for you, use props underneath your hips. Your elbows on the edges of the knees to keep your chest open and make your malasana more active and deep. Hands over the heart center and breathe. Then place the left hand down and extend the right to the side. Breathe really well. Exhale, lower down the right palm and extend the left palm to the side. Breathe in and out. Breathe nicely. And then you exhale and release. Now from here, hold the malasana and breathe. Let your hips and the lower body feel the stretch. If you feel comfortable, place the interlocked palms at the back of your head and place them down and lift off your hips up in the air. Inhale here. Exhale, bring down the hips into malasana. Inhale up. Exhale into deep malasana. Hands could be in front of the body. And if you feel strong enough, try going lower and lower. And then exhale and come on all your fours. As you inhale, you look up. Exhale, you roll your spine. Inhale, create an extension and look forward. Exhale, curl and look at the navel. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And then exhale and lower down your hips. Now rotate your wrists in front of the body. clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now place the hands over your head. Inhale here, exhale, fold forward. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale up. Exhale, fold forward. And then inhale, stand on your knees. Place hands at the back of your hips. Inhale, push your hips forward and start raising one foot at a time. Grab the feet, right one first and then the left one. As you inhale, get into a back bend in camel pose. Exhale, come back to neutral. Inhale, raise the right hand all the way back. Exhale, come back. Inhale, raise the left hand and go all the way back. Exhale, come back. Inhale, take hand over your heel this time to get into a deeper camel pose. Keep pushing the hip forward. Look at the ceiling or look at the back if you can. Remember to keep your core engaged and with exhale, support your lower back and come back and relax. Now from here, relax in a forward fold, child pose. Breathe in and breathe out and try to stretch your arms further in the fold. Breathe nicely. As you inhale, come back on all fours and with exhale, lift off your knees in downward facing dog. Breathe really well. And as you inhale, you bring the knees down. And as you exhale, push the knees back. Have a good support over your arms on the floor. And eventually hold the downward dog. And then fold the right knee and start moving your knee from side to up. Bring the right foot next to the right palm. With exhale, lift up all the way back. Rotate to the side. Again, bring the right foot next to right palm. Use the left knee down for support. And extend the right hand. Breathe nicely. Then exhale, drop the right hand down. Bring the foot in between the palms. Have the wall support to get into a deeper lunge. And if you feel confident, bring the hands to the heart center and eventually with inhale, lift hands above your head. Exhale, hands goes down. And try to grab a bind from the right thigh and look forward. Breathe in and out. Exhale, release. Change the side to the left side. Bring the right foot back into downward dog. Hold it up there. Inhale, fold the knees. Exhale, extend the knees. Inhale, fold the knees. Exhale, extend the knees. Inhale, fold the knees. Exhale, extend the knees. Now at this moment, inhale, exhale. Keep pushing your hips right up as you exhale. Now with inhale, rotate the left knee to the side and then up, and then bring the left foot next to the left palm. Again, inhale, lift it back all the way. Exhale here and inhale again, bring it next to the left palm. Lower down the right knee. Hold it up here. Again, extend, and if you feel confident, you can lift off the right knee and extend the left hand over the air. Come back in the neutral position and again get into a lower lunge from the left hip. Hands over the wall, over the hips or at the heart center, and as you inhale, you get into hands over your head. Exhale, come back. Inhale here, lift off the back leg. Find a bind around the left thigh. Keep looking forward. Exhale. Come on all fours again and sit upright. Now lie down over your belly on the yoga mat. Get into a comfortable, simple back bend by placing forearms in front of the body. Extend the legs at the back. No extra pressure on the lower back. Breathe in and breathe out. Fold both the legs together. Hold it up there. Breathe nicely. Continue breathing. As you exhale, lower down your forehead. Grab your shin bones. And with the inhale, look forward into Dhanurasana. Hold and breathe. And keep looking forward. After 3 rounds, exhale and gently lower down your torso and release the legs and extend them to the back. Relax. Breathe nicely. Let your spine feel the relaxation. Now gently change your side and lie down on your back over the yoga mat. Fold the knees together. Bring them close to the chest. As you inhale, raise one leg. Bring it back. Again, raise the other leg. Bring it back. Now with inhale, try to lift both the legs together. And then inhale, hug the right knee while extend the left one. Change the leg by extending the left leg up and down. Now this time, extend the right one while folding the left knee. Extend up and down. Now bring both the knees together, raise them together and grab the big toes into Balasana. Keep your spine really firm and grounded over the yoga mat. Let your hips and pelvic floor feel the warmth in the breath with the early morning stiffness. This will help you to really make more centered and aware in your lower body. Now, eventually extend your legs to the sides of the yoga mat. Place your palms open facing the ceiling and gather all the goodness of this practice through this Shavasana. Breathe in and out. Breathe really well. And you can also place your hands and extend them in a line eventually. And then with the support, sit upright to end this practice. You can keep your eyes still closed and continue to breathe and feel the positivity through your practice. You're all set to start your day with all the positivity in you, with all the good energy which you have gathered through your practice. Tell yourself a big thank you for choosing to practice for yourself, for your own good. Breathe. Breathe in. Breathe out. And then eventually start making some gentle movements and rub your palms. Gather the energy over your face and very gently open your eyes and look in between the palms. I wish you a great day and I hope you had a good time practicing with me. If you have liked practicing, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.